Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today's episode is actually going to be a product review. I'm telling you right now, it is hotter than piss in this garage right now. And it's pegged. Let's see what it says over here. It says we're 92 indoor, 94 outdoor. So this product review is going to be trying to alleviate some of that pain. It's really hard to be out here with any type of comfort level at this point in time. I am going to install this Bell & Howell socket fan light. It basically just screws into a regular light socket, just like that one there and that one over there. This is not a paid review. I got this on Amazon and I'm going to go ahead and install it and give you my thoughts on it. It's supposed to be extremely simple to assemble and put together. Let's get going. This does come with an optional base to drop it down, looks like 3 or 4 inches. I am using that. This looks like a mount for the remote holder. Well, it looks like it has 4 blades in total. And this is the main part. This cap here, remove that to reveal this here, and it looks like these just push right on. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Really not all that big. Let's I'm gonna get a tape measure. We're just gonna measure across this. We're looking at roughly 15.5 inches end to end. I am going to want this drop down for me, so I am going to go ahead and install this thing on here. And this is it here. We're going to deinstall this. Whew. Some gun's hot. That's supposed to be 1,000 lumens. I don't know. Let's play with the remote. Okay. Ooh yeah, 3 levels of light. It's supposed to be 1,000 lumens. It says on the box here. And let's check the fan deal. I don't know how. I really don't know how many levels. Oh, 3 fan speeds. It says on the box. Huh, you know what? It really isn't all that bad. I'll tell you what, for how small that is, it moves a lot of air. If you can see my stuff moving over there. I don't know if you can see all that papers are moving and stuff. This just blew a little bit. I mean, it's enough air to do that. And I will say, you know, it's not an air conditioner, but it is moving enough air that, oh, it's funny because it looks like it's going way slower in the camera than it is with my eyes. The eventual plan is to put an air conditioning unit in the window, or possibly even a split unit, and use that instead of this old furnace, just so I have some better sound quality in here during the winter. But we'll see what happens. For right now though, yeah, I'm impressed. It's worth 48 bucks, 49 bucks, whatever it was. And I'll tell you what, I think I might get me another one for right there. Get two of them going at the same time. That light right there is definitely brighter than the light that I have in there. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Get yours down in the description. I mean, this would work in a basement or whatever too, not just a garage. Not bad. I'm pretty happy. Before I turn this video all the way off and shut her down and say goodnight, I want to see what happens when I shut the lights off the whole garage and bring them back on, and see if this comes back to this state or if I gotta go through and push all the buttons again. Just curious. I'm gonna wait for it to come to a complete stop. All right. That's good to know. Peace out.